Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma once again with you, and today in this video we will learn how to change direct speech when it is given in future tense into indirect speech. So dear students, we had many videos of this topic, direct and indirect speech, and we learnt many rules. This is going to be rule number 7 of changing direct speech into indirect speech, and here we will discuss future tense. So when we will talk about future tense, the first aspect of that is simple future tense. So guys, what is the verb we will use there, or what is the helping verb we use there? So helping verb is will and shall, and with will and shall we use verb first. So when this sentence is given to us in direct speech with the helping verb will and shall and verb first, so we have to change that into would. Right? Will or shall will be changed into would in indirect speech. So let's see what is rule number 7. In the case of future simple tense, we change the helping verb of it, that is will, and we have to add shall also here, right, into would in the indirect speech. So what is the simple way, what is the, you can say essence of this sentence here, that is whenever we will get will and shall in the sentence in the direct speech, we will change that into would. Clear? So let's understand how. She said, I will complete my project soon. So this she said is the part which is reported clause, and here reporting verb is what? Said, right? So she said, I will complete my project work soon. So this comma I have to remove here, I have to change with that, and then this quotation mark I have to remove, and then we have to change with he or she according to the reported clause. There it is what? She, so we will do she, right? And this is what will. So will be changed into would, and rest it will be same, because it is would. No, would is a model also, and with models we use verb first, so we will not do any change in the main verb. So that's why I have written here that will and shall will be replaced with would. Clear? So let's see. She said, I will complete my project work soon. So this is what? She said, at the place of comma, that. Now you have to replace with she, will you have to change into would, complete will be complete, my you have to change with what? She. No, so that is what? It is him or her. So because there is she, right, so we have to do her project soon. Full stop. Please don't forget to put full stop in the end. Next is, they said Ram will buy the latest car this month. So what is the subject in the reported clause? That is they. Then it is said, it is not said to, because if it is said to, so we have to change that into told. So here this comma you have to change with this quotation marks you have to remove, and then Ram will buy the latest car this month. Now they are different in Ram, different subjects we are having, so we will keep this Ram as it is, right? So the answer is what? But before that we will learn will also. So this is will be replaced with would. So the answer is, they said that Ram would buy the latest car. This changes into that and month. Full stop. Clear? So it's quite easy. Only you have to see what are the rules. According to that you have to do. He said to me. Now here in the reported clause, it is what? Said to. Means the reported verb is what? Said to. So if there is said to, we have to change that into told. Now this is what? comma, this we have to replace with that, and these quotation marks or inverted commas we have to remove. Again here is what I we change with he or she, and here in the reported clause the subject is what? He. So with that he we have to replace this I. Now shall is there, I shall join the special force. So this is what, the shall also will be changed into would, because in some of the cases we will find out in some of the books it is written that shall changes into should, will changes into would, but practically when we will do it, so it will be would here. Let's see how. He said to me will be he told me, he told me that. Right? So this I with he. So this will be he. Now I said shall, means in some of the books it is written that shall changes into should. Right? But here when this subject will become he, so with he we cannot use should. So automatically that will be would. That's why I have written here will and shall. That will change into would. So he would join the special force. Okay, full stop. So this is quite easy, which you have to learn. What we have learned here, if the direct speech is having will and shall as helping verb, so that we have to change with what? Would. That's quite simple. Please take the screenshot and then we will do 2 more aspects of future tense. Now, let's discuss this rule number 7, and here it says that we are talking here about future continuous. So guys, what is the helping verb in future continuous? That is will be or shall be, right? So that will be, actually the concept is this, that will we have to change, will or shall we have to change in would, that's it. Nothing else we have to learn. So what we have to do, wherever we will do will, that we have to change into would. Wherever we will get shall, that we will change automatically into would. Okay. So when there is we, will be, that will change into would be. Shall be changes into would be again. Okay. So see how, what is written here, let's read it also. The helping verb of the future continuous tense. The helping verb of the future continuous tense, that is what? Will be, is replaced by would be. So here you can add shall be also, because in some of the cases you will get shall be also. So that both will be and shall be will be replaced by what? Would be. Clear? Let's understand how. They said we will be reaching the market by 2 p.m. Here I have taken they will be reaching. If this is they shall be reaching, so let's do it shall, and then we will learn how it will be automatically changed as we have done here. They said we should be reaching market, sorry, we shall be, it's shall be, we shall be reaching the market by 2 p.m. So what is that? They said is they said, so this will be same, they said, at the place of commas that, right? Now this we have to change with they. So they shall, they said that they. Now can we add should we with they? No. So what is that? They would be. What is this? They would be reaching the market by 2 p.m. This is why, because we have learnt this they would. Why this is they would? Because we have learnt when we read this tense will simple future, so we learnt there this shall. We used with I and we only, with I and we only. Okay, so with they, how we can use should? No, with they we cannot use shall. So that's why we cannot use should here. So that is what? Would be. So automatically it will be would be. So whatever is there, will be, shall be, that will change into would be. Here too, shall or will, that change into would, right? And now let's practice the second sentence here. She said, of the same case, future continuous tense changes into would be, means that will be or shall be changes into would be. So she said, my friends will be dancing. Here she said it is what? Reported clause, right? Where said is what? Reporting verb, right? So she said, my friends will be dancing. This my we have to change with what? Her or him, right? Or sorry, his. So she said, here it is what? She. So we have to change that with her. So the answer is, she said that her friends, because this my you have to change either in him or his or her. So because here gender is given she, right? So that is what we have to do, her. So she said that her friends. Now will be or would be? Will change into would. So would be dancing in the college function, full stop. Right? So that is what? Rule number 6. When there is will be or shall be, that will be replaced with would be. Next and last one of this tenses, that is rule number 7 of the same future tense, and the third aspect of that is future perfect. And what is the helping verb of future perfect? That is what? Will have or shall have plus the third form. So that will have or shall have plus verb third form, that will change with would have plus third form. So it is very easy. Will or shall change that into would plus whatever is given, that you have to keep as it is. So here we will learn that will have and shall have plus verb third will be replaced with would have plus verb third. How? Let's see here. She said, I will have lived in Delhi. So here she said, comma you have to remove, and the answer will be, she said, I will have to live in Delhi. Here it is, she said that. What is it? She said that. Now this I we have to change with she or he. So here it is given what? She. So we will do that. She. Now will or shall, what you will do? Will changed into would, because with she also we have to use would. Now next is same, that is have plus verb third. Have lived in Delhi. Okay, full stop in the end. So what is the answer of this? She said that she would have lived in Delhi. And the last one is, she said, I shall have learnt French. She said, commas, I shall have learnt French. So what is the answer of this question? Sorry, he said. He said that he shall have or should have or would have. So she is there because. So let's understand how. This is he said. He said that. Now this he, I will be changed into he. Now with he what you have to use? Because I के साथ तो हम shall use कर सकते हैं, लेकिन he के साथ थोड़े shall use कर सकते हैं. तो अगर shall नहीं use करेंगे तो should be use नहीं करेंगे. So क्या use होगा? Would. He would have learned French. Full stop. So this is the easiest way to change direct speech into indirect speech. So you have to learn the tricks only, that when we have to see the helping verbs, that's it, and the main verbs. We have to learn that table only, where I have told you that verb first changes into verb second. Verb first plus s or es changes into verb second. Was were changes into had been plus verb first plus ing, like so that you have to make that table, and according to that you have to change. Okay, so just take the screenshot of this and note it down and learn this for your examination. This is going to be quite important. And in the next video we will learn how to change reported speech if the sentences are given in interrogative form. So let's wait for that and do this till then. Thank you very much.